Now we're ready to fill the tank. Pour water or water glycol mixture into the tank until it is between the full and low mark. Note, we recommend deionized or distilled water. Pure water is also the cheapest option and has the best heat transferability. However, you will need to note what your uses are. Each 300-foot PEX loop holds about 3 gallons of fluid. The tank holds about 8 gallons in addition to the fluid in the loops. Not all of your fluid will fit in the tank at first. You will be adding more fluid as you purge the loops.